Greetings from Tampa, Florida. This is Julian Pribaz inviting you to Rome for next year's 9th International Breast Surgery Workshop and 5th World Consensus Conference on BIA-ALCL meeting. I've recently retired after more than 40 years of clinical practice, preceded by 10 years of training, having worked in Melbourne, Australia, Harvard in Boston, and USF in Tampa, Florida. During this time, I've witnessed the evolution of the full spectrum of autologous breast reconstruction. I've been asked to predict the future of breast reconstruction, which is always difficult. However, to discuss the future, we have to appreciate where we have come from, and having been there from the very start, I will try to summarize my own personal experience and perspective and the landmark publications innovations in autologous breast reconstruction during this time period, which has brought us to where we are at the moment. This should be a great meeting, and I hope to see you all in Rome next April or virtually if you're unable to attend. Until then, ciao.